It's often said that a piece of paper can't be folded more than 7 times. In theory, it's impossible to reach the 8th fold. Supposedly, if you could fold a piece of paper 45 times, its thickness would reach 217,480 miles, almost enough to span the 238,607 miles from Earth to the Moon. To put this myth to the test, the team first grabbed a standard A4 sheet of paper. Just like the rumor claimed, folding it 6 times was already extremely difficult. When attempting the 7th fold, Tori even had to bring out a hammer to force it through. And when he tried using a hydraulic press for the 8th fold, it didn't work. Instead, the paper was crushed into a torn and useless lump. Grant tried folding the paper diagonally to distribute the thickness, but he still couldn't go beyond 6 folds. Meanwhile, Kari took a more delicate approach. After each fold, she used an iron to flatten the crease in sandpaper to thin out the paper. But no matter how creative the methods, science held firm. Regular A4 paper just couldn't get past 7 folds. However, Grant, being a math graduate from the University of Southern California, had another idea. He calculated that the thickness of an A4 sheet is roughly 0.003 inches, so he swapped it out for a thinner sheet of drafting paper. He first folded it 3 times along the length, then switched to folding along the width. This helped distribute the creases, and with that method, he successfully folded the paper 8 times. Tori argued that Grant was cheating with that folding strategy, but mathematically, it made sense. If a sheet were infinitely large and thin, it should theoretically be foldable many more times. To take things to the next level, the team invested in a massive sheet of paper measuring 170 by 220 feet, roughly the size of 8 basketball courts. Could this giant paper finally break the myth once and for all?